computer chip works as the brain of modern electronic devices, controlling everything from simple calculations to complex processing tasks. It is made from a small piece of silicon that holds millions or even billions of tiny electrical components called transistors. These transistors act as microscopic switches that turn on and off to represent the binary code used by computers, made up of ones and zeros. By combining these states, a chip can process information, perform logic operations, and store data at incredible speeds. The process begins with the design of the chip's architecture, which determines how the transistors are arranged and connected. This layout defines the chip's purpose, whether it is a central processing unit, a graphics processor, or a memory chip. Once designed, the chip is manufactured through a process called photolithography, where layers of materials are added and etched to create the detailed patterns that form circuits thinner than a human hair. When a chip operates inside a computer, electrical signals flow through these circuits, carrying instructions and data. The transistors switch rapidly, sometimes billions of times per second, allowing the chip to perform multiple operations in a fraction of a second. Some chips focus on general processing tasks, while others are specialized to handle specific jobs like rendering graphics, managing storage, or processing sound. Modern chips often contain multiple cores, which means several processors work together on different tasks at once. This increases performance and efficiency while keeping power consumption lower. To prevent overheating, chips are paired with cooling systems such as fans or heat sinks that draw away excess heat. Advanced manufacturing continues to make transistors smaller, allowing new chips to be faster, more efficient, and more powerful than ever before. Through precise engineering and billions of tiny switches working in harmony, computer chips make it possible for devices to think, calculate, and communicate at speeds that define modern technology. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.